it's Ronan. My kid's friend came over. He saw the movie Masters of the Universe, and he said, hey, can you play Eternia from Masters of the Universe? And I said, sure, if I could hum it or sing it, I think I could play it. Let me show you what it's like to learn the song by ear, how to figure it out by ear. I teach all these things over at accordionlove.com. It's the best way of learning a song, of understanding a song. Let me share my screen. Let's listen to it together and see what it's like. I Googled it. It's called Eternia. Let's listen together and figure it out together. Sounds epic. Like any other song, whether it's an epic song like this or any pop song, I'm going to listen and play back. I'm trying to pick out part of the melody and then understand the chords under it. Ba 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 ba. I heard that, right? Let's listen again. There it is. Da 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 da. The note there is C. Right? We went E, B, C. What chord contains the note C? It feels like a minor, right? We did da 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 da. Could be a C minor. Could be an E minor. Could be an F minor. Those are kind of the three minor chords that contain the C note. Let's try it out. Again, listening. C minor. F minor. A minor. Maybe. Let's listen again. Yes, that sounds right to me, right? Ta-da, ta-da-da. That's my A minor. If you play guitar, A minor fits there. I don't know if it's the root of the song, but what I heard too is that right before that, there was an E major that resolved to the A minor. We were given that E note. And so E to A minor, ba-da. Let's go back now and listen. Or let's keep going. So, A minor. It goes up to a C major. We haven't solved the puzzle, but most songs, most sections of songs contain 3 to 5 chords. Most popular songs. This one, we've identified a few chords. We've identified an A minor, we've identified an E, and now we've identified a C major. And so what we can tell from the Stradella bass system on the accordion, the chords of the song contain a C, an A, and an E. This is the range. C, G, D minor, A minor, and E. Every song that I've ever played contains that range of songs. And what that tells me is that these are the likely chords of the song. Maybe we'll have an F, but again, it's C, G, A minor, and E major. Let's rewind now, or keep playing, and let's see if we can fit the chords and match what we hear to the song. Ba-da-da, da-da-da-da-da. Right, so we have an A minor, to the C major, to the G major. What we learned before, to E or E7, ba ba, A minor. Let's keep listening. Again, I don't know the song. The first step in learning a song, I have a whole guide about how to learn songs, is to listen to it over and over again so you could hum it, so you could sing it. I'm listening to this for the second time, so I'm doing it live, but otherwise I'm sure you've seen the movie, I'm sure you've heard the song. Cool, that's Brian May on guitar. Incredible. Strong ABBA vibes. So what I'm hearing, the theme, A minor to G to C, G, E, or E7 to A minor. That's the theme, that's the song, right? I mean, it becomes epic, but A minor. Maybe as a waltz. Again, 4 chords, A minor on guitar, C major, G major, E major. Those are the 4 chords of the song. Now, it goes to somewhere else. Let's keep listening. But again, those are the chords of the song, from here to here on accordion. You could see that I could already improvise on it. Do a solo. Just from knowing the chords. Let's keep listening. F. Beautiful. Is that what it is? No. F major to D minor, da da, to A minor likely. Again, the rest of the chords that we discussed before, the likely chords. It went to F, walk down to D minor. This bridge, F major to D minor to G, A minor, again. sick song. Your practice, whether you're my kid's friend or whether you're on accordion or whether you're on any instrument, practice those chord changes. A minor, C, G, E major, and then the bridge, this guitar solo, F major, D minor, G, A minor. Play along to the song. That should be your practice. Right hand, left hand. A minor, C major, G major, E major. 4 chords. Again, F major, D minor, G, A minor. 6 chords in the whole song. Know those chords on your left hand and your right hand so you can look up, so you can express the song. Good. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you to my kid's friend for the request. Have a good day.